And there you have Devin the Dream Haney, the undisputed lightweight champion of the world, set to fight Lomachenko. Who y'all got? As we all know, Devin Haney is a great peer boxer with a great jab and a great boxing IQ. As y'all can see, Devin Haney been putting shit in for a long time. We ready to see him face Lomachenko. Then after that, we want to see Devin Haney versus Corey Stevenson. Yeah. Devin Haney already accomplished a lot in his career only at 24 years old. He's already an undisputed lightweight champion, and he's been undefeated and been putting in that work for some time now and defeated Gambosa back-to-back both times. Haney very swift and sharp, always elusive and smart. Yeah, he definitely a great boxer with pure skills that just gets to win at will. Haney with great combinations to the body, head. Do y'all think Devin Haney got what it takes to beat Lomachenko? Let me know in the comments below. Haney defeated Gambosa twice, taking the undisputed lightweight title the first time and defending it the second time. Haney was too skilled for Gambosos, especially fighting him twice to even seal the deal to prove that he just wasn't enough for Haney. Devin Haney sticking to the science, hit and do not get hit. Looking real sharp. Devin Haney showing the dream, showing his greatness, putting it all on display, being the youngest undisputed champion ever. Shout out to Devin Haney. Next you have Vasiliy Lomachenko, which is a great fighter, former champion in multiple weight classes. He definitely is a beast, and he's definitely a force to be reckoned with. Unfortunately, he lost his belt to Teofimo Lopez, and Lopez lost the belt to Gamboso, and Devin Haney got the belt from Gamboso. So you know Lomachenko's looking at this opportunity to redeem himself and seek revenge. Yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing this fight, because it's a fight that's great for boxing. Devin Haney because we all know style make fights. And they both are peer boxers. So this would be definitely a great fight that I think that'll last 12 rounds. Lomachenko with the nice left hand. Great combination to the body. Sit down, nigga. Lomachenko with the vicious blows. Lomachenko ain't no joke. Haney vs. Lomachenko, May 20th, 2023. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Wrong Certified TV. I'm out.